Nzema traditional area that we normally call Elemble. Nananom, the Queen the elders, and the great people of Elemble. Invited guests, fellow assemblymen. I welcome you all to the Sanyamele Palace in Atomo. Today is 29th day of April 2026. I stand before you not as a mere traditional ruler, but a father and a guardian of the ancestral land that was bequeathed unto us by our ancestors. Today is a very good day for us. The reason I'm saying it's a good day for us is that we, the people of Nzema, or Elemble, we've gotten somebody who came in to support us in our fight against illegal mining. And we need to show appreciation and profound gratitude to the person for what he has done for us. So we are here to say very big thank you to His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the President of the Republic of Ghana, the Secretary Minister Emmanuel Amakofiboa, who happens to be the MP for Elemble, and the son of the soil. He has proven that truly he's a son of the soil. And the CEO of the Minerals Commission, Mr. Isaac Andrew Stando, and the gallant soldiers and the policemen and the river guide people who went to Adamo's concession to undertake this operation. I think today I stand here to say clearly, elephant has been removed from our bowl of rice, and our nightmare is over. I think one of the things that we need to emphasize is that we don't oppose mining, we don't oppose development, but what we oppose is the destruction of our ancestral land. We will not sit down for our ancestral land to be destroyed. We give a good concession to Adamos to mine, so that the young people of Elemble will get work to do. But what did they pay us for? They temporarily gave our concession out as a safe haven for Chinese people to come and destroy our land, to destroy our river bodies, and to destroy our livelihood, which the Minerals Commission, through the Secretary Minister and the President, has revoked their lances. So we are here to say very big thank you to the His Excellency John Dramani Mahama for revoking the lances of Adamos Resources Limited. Look, this act that you've undertaken, do not be perturbed by any legal threat or any litigation that they are going to embark on. We are saying that be resolved in your decision. Don't reinstate any lances to Adamos. We are the landowners. We are the custodian of the land. We don't want to have anything to do with Adamos again. Adamos is our worst nightmare. We don't want it back on our land. Adamos is the worst thing that ever happened to the people of Elemble. We don't need them back here. We say thank you for revoking the lances of Adamos Resources Limited. We support your decision 100%. And by so doing, we are going to send delegation of chiefs and queen mothers and elders from this traditional area to the presidency next week to say a very big thank you to you in person at the Blaster House for this thing that you've done for us. Because this thing has been hanging on our neck for a very long time. We needed somebody to come and take this thing out of over our neck. But we didn't have the power of our own. And since you've been able to revoke their lances, we don't have much to say, but to say thank you very much. We found that Adamos Limited is turning our concession into a Galamsey site, which we don't support. We say we want to tell the president that it shouldn't be bothered by any pressure or any legal threat or anything to reinstate Adamos mining resources, their lances. The government decides to reinstate their lances. We, the landowners, we are not going to allow it. Today, we are going to slaughter a sheep and pour libation as a sign that we don't want to have anything to do with Adamos again, and to clean this mess and to clean this curse upon us, because Adamos is a useless company. We don't want to have anything to do with them again. Thank you, press. Thank you, Nanano. Thank you, everybody. God bless Ghana. God bless His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. God bless Emmanuel Amakofiboa. God bless Isaac and Stando. God bless the good people of Ghana. And God bless everybody for coming around. Thank you. God bless us.